Hello, third graders. Okay, so today we're going to be working on two multiplication tables that are related. We're going to work on our 5's time tables and our 10's time tables, okay, multiplying by 5 and multiplying by 10. And the part of this that is fabulous is that you already know all these facts. You have been counting by 5's for years. You've been counting by 10's for years. And what you didn't know is in kindergarten, when you started counting 5, 10, 15, 20, you were doing multiplication. But you were. Okay, so just to prove it to you, I want to show you, I don't know if you all watched it, the movies that I posted yesterday, but here's the 5's. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but watch the 5's.
Try to find a good hiding place. This old tree is going to be the base. I'm going to close my eyes and hide my face and count to 100 by 5's. Ready? Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Ready now? Here I come.
All right, did you count that fast? Did you count by 5's? 5, 10, 50. Okay, try it again. Ready?
Apple, peaches, pumpkin pie. Who's not ready? Holler I. Oh, all right, I'll count it again. Did you
Ready? Count it with them.
Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95.
100. Did you get there this time? Okay, so you can go back. I'll post that on underneath, but you can go back and watch that whole video. But you have been counting by 5's so much that you already know your 5's times table. So this is going to be super duper easy. You have been counting by 10's for just as long. So this is going to be super duper easy. Okay. Could you turn, oops, now I don't even know what page it is. Could you turn to page 197 and we'll take a look at this together. Okay. You ready? It says Marcel is making 6 toy banjos. He needs 5 strings for each banjo because banjos have 5 strings, unlike guitars, right? How many strings does he need in all? So how many banjos is Marcel making? How many banjos is he making? Hold on, let me get my pen ready. How many banjos is he making? He's making 6 banjos. And how many strings does each banjo have? 5. So we need 6 sets of 5, right? We're going to skip count by 5's until you say 6 numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20. See, I can even count it much faster than I can write it. 5, 10, 15, 20. You're probably already finished, aren't you? 25, 30. Okay, so I did 6 numbers counting by 5's. Skip counted by 5's 6 times. So 6 times 5 is 30. So Marcel needs 30 strings in all. All we did was skip count, just like in that video. What I want you to also think about when you're thinking about 5's is the clock. The clock is the analog clock is another really great way that you already know your 5's, okay? Now hold on a second. These numbers on here are for the hours. But we know that if you go around the clock, the minute hand is counting by 5's as you go around, right? So, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to move that. So if I multiply the hour number by 5, I would get to the minute numbers. So for example, if the minute hand is pointing at the 1, how many minutes have gone by? Well, 1 times 5 is 5. If the minute hand is pointing at the 2, how many minutes have gone by? 10. 5, 10. If the minute hand is pointing at the 3, it would be 5, 10, 15. Oh, that's supposed to be a 15. I'm like, why do I have 2 5's? Let me edit that one. Hold on. Make that a 5. 15. There we go. Okay, you ready? So 5, 10, 15. 15 would be at the 3. And I go all the way around the clock counting by 5's. 5, 10, 15. 4 is 20 minutes. 20. Oh, I don't have a 25. 25 would be 5. 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and if my minute hand is pointing up at the 12, I know it's a new hour, but 5 times 12 would be 60. I gotta get a 25, don't I? Hold on, let me get a 25. Let me make a 25, and then that'll fill in our clock for us. That'll be much better. Okay, here we go. 25, there we go. Okay. the numbers on the analog clock we know stand for hours, but if I multiply them by the fives, because I know I'm counting by fives to get the minutes, I know that. So you ready? 5 times 7, 35. And if the minute hand is pointing at the 7, 35 minutes have gone by. 5 times 9 is 45. I know that. If my minute hand is pointing at the 9, 45 minutes have gone by. So the clock can also help us remember that we know our counts by 5 and our multiplication tables by 5. Okay, let's take a look at page 197, the bottom. It says, each string is 10 inches long. How many inches of string will Marcel use for each banjo? Okay, so he needs 10 inches long, a string 10 inches long, but he needs 5 of them for each banjo. So we're going to jump 5, whoopsie. We're going to jump, so we can use our number line, we're going to jump in sets of 10, but we're going to do 5 jumps. That would be the first string on the banjo, the second string on the banjo, the third string on the banjo, the fourth string on the banjo, and then of course the fifth string on the banjo, right? So draw 5 jumps for the 5 strings, jump 10 spaces at a time for each length of string. You land on 10, 20, 30, 40, you could fill this in faster than me, 30, 40, and 50. We're counting by tens. So 5 times 10 is 50. Good job. So Marcel will use 50 inches of string. Now here's this word, and we talked about it on our Zoom yesterday a little bit for 3H. A multiple. That's going to be important. A multiple of 10 is any product that has 10 as one of its factors. And we'll talk more about that later. But 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are all multiples of 10. Can you name another one? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. They're all multiples of 10 because one of their factors could be 10. Okay? 10 times something would give you that number 50. 10 times 5 gave us 50. So since one of the factors is 10, 50 is a multiple of 10. Okay, on the last bit, well, we could even use the clock to show us, but these are all multiples of 5. So when we skip count by 5, we're naming all the multiples of 5. When we skip count by tens, we're naming all the multiples of 10. Okay? It's a good word that we're going to keep coming back to. Okay, now, this is using the bar model, and we didn't do that with multiplication as much, but it's as simple to draw in, okay? So we could also use a bar model. Marcel bought 3 packages of string, and each package cost 10 cents. How much did all the packages cost in all? So we could do a bar model, right? The bar would have 3 sections for the 3 packages of string, and each package cost 10 cents. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 would give us 30 cents, right? It would cost 30 cents. Oh, sorry, there's 3. Sorry. 30, right? 1 unit is 10 cents. 3 units would be 3 times 10. So the multiplication sentence would be 3 times 10, which would equal 30. Uh-oh. So the packages cost 30 cents. Don't forget your cent sign. Cents in all. Good. All right, ready? Show how you can use this number line to find 8 times 5. So the first factor tells us how many hops. The second factor tells us how many are in each hop. So we're going to hop by 5s. We're going to hop 8 times. Ready? So 0 to 5 would be 1 to 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we could write here, I'm going to do a text box there. Go. I can hop by 5s Oh, how about we do this? Oh, I put hope. I can make 8 hops of 5. I end at 40. Okay, you would end at 40. You can make 8 hops of 5. Okay, at the very bottom are multiplication facts, okay? And I want you to take a minute, and I want you to pause the video, and I want you to solve 2 through 13. Okay, so just hit pause, solve 2 through 13, and then when you finish, when you have all your products, I want you to unclick pause and then check your answers with me. One thing before you hit pause, I want you to notice. Here we have factor times factor equals, we're going to put the product right here. And this one's different. The product is equal to the factor times the factor. It doesn't matter which side of the equal sign, if it's on the left of the equal sign or the right of the equal sign, but we want factors on one side and the product on the other. Product, factors. Product here, factors here. Factors here, product here. When we're going up and down, when we're laying them out like vertically, we're going to put our answer down here at the bottom underneath, just like we do in addition. But we want to make sure that we keep our digits all lined up like an elevator, okay? So if our answer is 40, we want to make sure that the 0 is, the 0 is right underneath that 0 and 4, and then the 4 is over here, okay? So keep them all nicely stacked on top of each other. Okay, press pause and do your work, and then unpause when you're ready. Okay, hopefully you finished them all. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 10 is 60. 5 times 5 is 25. Now when I would read it, I would read 25 is equal to 5 times 5. 10 times 7 is 70. We did this one together. 10 times 4 is 40. 5 times 6 is 30. Make sure that 0 is underneath. 10 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. Boom, boom, boom. Good job. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 10 is, 5 times 10, is 50. Oh, hold on, that's going to be a bad 5. Sorry, everybody. 50. 4 times 5 is 20. And 9 times 10 is 90. Good job. Okay, next page. You're going to work through this page on your own. The top is all multiplication. You solve those facts and then check them with the answer key. The bottom is a little bit trickier. I want us just to look at these bar models for a moment together. Marcel played 5 songs on the piano. So do you notice these are the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 songs. If each song lasted 8 minutes, how long did he play? So we're going to do 8, 8, 8 in each of these 5 sections. Okay, 8 minutes. So our multiplication sentence would be 5 sets. So we have 5 sets, 5 times 8. So what would our answer be? 5 times 8 is 40. So our answer would be 40 minutes. On this line, I want you to write the multiplication sentence and then put your answer in the box where it's labeled. Okay? So you'll do the same thing over here. There are 6 banjo players. If each player needs 10 sheets of music. Okie doke. All right. And then you have 2 word problems to solve. You're going to work through and then check your answers. If you have questions, make sure you circle them so that on our math Zoom, we can answer your questions. Okay? And then you will do, page, the homework page. So page 201, and you're going to post it. Post 201 so that we can check it. Okie doke. All right. Have fun.